Hello? In this short video, we'll take a look at how you can make changes to an already imported Canva page and then import it again in Shopify. This is my imported page. To make any changes to this, I'll navigate to Canva portal. Here on the top, you'll find an Edit Design option. Click on the Edit Design button. Now here you can make any changes that you want. Say you want to update the text or can make any other changes, you can do that. After completing the changes, you need to publish the design again. Once you visit this, you'll find a Republish option. Click this, and in a few seconds, your updated changes will be pushed to your site on the same link. Now navigate to the Shopify app. Here you'll see a re-import option. Click that and you will import the page to Shopify again. On click of Re-import button, after a few seconds the import will be complete. You'll be taken to this page. Click Preview and you'll see that the changes now reflect in Shopify as well. For any queries, please reach out to our support team.